quick. Do you have any gadget? You can use that to earn money. So that's what I'm going to show you in this video. Yes, let's get into the video. The website I'm going to talk about today is this website where you can play games and earn. You can install apps and get paid for it. Yes, and if you are wondering how am I going to do this, what you are going to do, you all you need is to sign up, and I'm going to leave the link in the description below so that it will not be hard for you to find this website. You come here and click where it says register, and if you don't know what this website is called Free Cash. Yes, so you will come and click here where it says register, then you can register and sign up. When you click on where it says register, it will give you the information that you're supposed to fill in. Here you fill in your email address and a password, then you click on register, or if you have already an account, you sign in. But I guess you're watching this video because you don't have an account and you want to sign up. Since me, I already have an account, I'm going to show you inside how this website looks like. But what you are going to do on this website is simple. You are going to earn by testing apps, playing games, and doing surveys. And they have a lot of offers available. They have up to 659 offers. So that means you also stand a chance to get an offer to do and start earning right away. Remember, you can use your phone to do this side hustle that I'm showing. You can use your phone to install apps like these ones, TikTok, to play games like this, to install Netflix. And the good thing about it, it works on all devices. So if you have Android, there are games that you can do on Android. There are surveys that you can do on Android. If you are using an iPhone, there are also apps that you can install, games you can do using iPhone, and I'm going to show you that in this video. And here it shows you that an average user can earn up to $37 per day. So it depends on you how much effort that you are going to put in. You can earn up to $37 per day if you follow this side hustle that I'm showing you. I'll leave the link in the comment section below so that you can sign up. And the good thing about it, they have so many payment options that you can use. Yes, they have so many payment options that you can use. Payment options like PayPal and many more. Google Play Store, you can also cash out via cryptocurrency. So when you finish signing up and logging in, you will come back in, you will come inside your dashboard, and this is how my dashboard looks like inside. So these are all surveys that I can do, or you too you can do and start earning right away. So there are short surveys that you can do. There are also long surveys which are up to 12 minutes, 8 minutes, 20 minutes. So it depends on you. You can do those surveys, and there are also these ones which are called offer partners. Yes, these are companies where games are being put, and you can just come here and click on any one of them you want. You go there and see the games that can work for you. For example, if we click here on my chips, you are going to see games or offers that you can do, and it's going to show up on your phone or your tab. Yes, so they will show you what you can do. And the good thing about this offer, sometimes they are having giveaway prizes. For example, right now they have a giveaway prize which is about $5,000, that if you play, you stand a chance to win that. So these are all the games that you can play. Yes, these are all the offers that you can play. If you see anyone that you like this one is for iOS, that means it's for Apple users. This one is for Android, you can go ahead and play that. This one is for Android to Android. So they will give you different options. This is for iOS. So that's how you go on finding games that you can play. And for example, there is this one which is called Torah. Also, you can use it to find games that you can play. You just come here and click on it, and it will show you the games that are available. So you choose the one that you feel like you can do. But before you start playing the game, make sure you read the requirements so that you can know what that game requires. For example, here they are telling you which device you use. Is it an Apple or is it Android? Yes. And when you finish choosing which device you are going to use, then you click on the game that you want to play, and after clicking on it they are going to give you instructions that you are supposed to follow to play that game. Yes, they are going to give you instructions that you follow to play that game. So that applies to all other companies that you can find here. And these are also other survey companies that they have partnered with. If you want to do more surveys, then you can come here and click any one of them. They will take you to their survey dashboard and you choose the survey that you want to do. Yes, you choose the survey that you want to do. And you can either choose, if you are using iOS, are you choosing desktop or Android? Anything you choose, they will show you what's available for that device. For example, if you choose Android, they are going to show you games that you can play on Android. If you choose desktop, they are also going to show you what you can do on your desktop. Yes, and as you see here, people are already earning. As you can see, this one has earned $57. This one has earned $1, $7. So people are earning already and they are cashing out. This one has just earned $6. This one you can even cash out as low as $1. It depends on the payment method that you want to use to cash out. Yes, it depends on the payment method that you want to choose to use to cash out. Yes, and if you're wondering how can I cash out, so this is where you can go and cash out from. You click on cash out, and when you click on cash out, they are going to show you different options that you can use to cash out your earnings. Yes, they are going to show you different options that you can choose to cash out your earnings. As I told you, you can use PayPal. As I told you, you can use cryptocurrency. Yes, as you see here, you can use cryptocurrency if you want. So it depends on you, which one do you want to use. You can use cryptocurrency, you can use payment methods like PayPal. If you see this one, stake, you can cash out using that. You can use PayPal, you can use Visa, you can also use these other platforms like Bitcoin, Litecoin, any of them. You can use those ones to cash out. And they also have something else which is called rewards, where they reward people who are on their platform. They can reward you via a quest, they can reward you via rewards, or you can invite a friend. As I am doing this video, I'm going to leave the link in the description below inviting you to join. And when you use that link, you are going to get a sign up bonus. So you can also go ahead and do the same. You can share this good news to others, and anybody who signs up, they can go ahead and join. And when they join, they earn, you also earn. And as I told you, can cash out as long as you reach $2. For example, as you see here, I have $2. If I want, I can go ahead and cash out. Yes, so it depends on you how much you want to earn. Or yes, this really works, I have tried it myself. So if you want to go with PayPal, you go with PayPal and cash out. If you want to use this one, you go with that and cash out. It depends on you. So if you think this video has done you value, don't forget to like, to comment, to share, and to subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you in the next video.